I'm enough. Hello, welcome to my channel. It's Toluloka B here. Nervous as heck, but I'm about to do my everyday makeup tutorial. So this is gonna be straight to the point, guys. We're gonna start off with e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And as you can see, my skin is just moisturized, and I'm gonna start with primer. So I just take like a scoop, it's nothing too crazy, and I put it gently around and I gently merge. I actually need a little bit more. After primer, we're gonna get into concealer. I'm gonna grab my Kylie Jenner Chai concealer. I got this randomly from Ulta, so here you go. I was using the camera, but I'm actually gonna look at a mirror over here, so we're still connected. Once I have my concealer on, I'm just gonna blend. And because I have blonde braids, I'm gonna try to not brighten my under eye a little too much, like I always like to do. This time I'm just gonna keep it regular. Once my concealer is a little bit blended, I start my sponge side and I just try to like blend it into my skin a little bit, so it's a smoother transition for when I apply my foundation. Done with concealer. As you can see, it's very bright, but we're gonna go into foundation and then make sure everything blends. I'm gonna use my Best Skin Ever Sephora foundation, liquid foundation in 61P. I just need a pump. I'm going to add the Airspun Loose Face Powder. As you can see, it's very bright, but sometimes I even like it brighter. But we're gonna do the other side. So I have my bright under eye blended in. Now it's time for bronzer. I'm gonna use this Miami Sunshine Dark Bronzer. I got it from the brand Absolute New York. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. You can obviously tell the difference, I hope. After that, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. This is NikNak New York, a beauty supply store pencil in black. For my eyebrows, I'm very simple. I just like to lightly line them, lightly pencil them in. Then I brush it up. Time for eyeshadow. So this is LA Colors Bold Palette, and I'm gonna add some pink. With the pink, I'm also gonna add a little bit of this peach and purple on the outer corners. That's one part, time to do the other. I never really use concealer like that, but I thought I'll try. After that, it's time for blending. I'm gonna use my foundation brush and merge everything together. That should soften any harsh lines. I'm not doing a long line, I'm literally just following my God-given eye shape. I actually changed my mind and I'm gonna go for a wing. Hopefully you guys can see. Done. After that, it's time for mascara. I'm gonna use NK Makeup Multifunction Mascara. After some mascara, I'm going to apply some blush. I've got e.l.f. Putty Primer blush, and it doesn't have a number, but it's just pink. I think I added a little too much, so I'm gonna blend it in. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and try to blend it in some more. Once that's done, it's time for lips. I'm gonna take my black LA Colors liner. A little bit of black radiance color 5073, just to line the black lips. And I'm going to add a lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. I love their lip glosses, it tastes like candy. Now, unfortunately, this is too dark for me, so I'm gonna get a different lip color. I'm gonna use my Ink Velvet number 29 lip stain on the center of my lips. All done. Hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me and my look. I tried a lot of different things that I don't normally do, and it's really all about blending your makeup, guys. Like, You have to blend your makeup. Make whatever makeup you have at home work for you. And if you can't, I am a testimony that beauty supply makeup works just as fine as Sephora. I'm gonna set with a refreshing mist from Estee Lauder. And I'm all done. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to like and subscribe and let me know what kind of videos you want, what you would like for me to talk about or for us to talk about as a community, and God bless.